We are from Team Golden Admissions. It is a private limited company established in 2020. The core focus of our organization is to support the students who are interested to join in top private universities by providing various financial and educational services. We will talk about these services in detail later. By implementing these services, universities will get more admissions, more placements, as well as more startups from their students, while coming to our working mechanism. We follow 4 steps methodology, which completes our entire mechanism in a simple and flexible manner for all 3 parties. At first, we reserve certain number of seats from the university's admission department, in various branches. After the above procedure, we conduct a national-level scholarship exam called GoldenAdmissions.Aptitude.Test. Through online and offline modes, those who got qualified in this exam will be given admissions in their dream universities that we collaborated with scholarships by Golden Admissions organization. After the completion of the above 2 steps, a counseling will be conducted, where students can opt their choice of university, department, course, and specialization. After the completion of above 3 steps and completed their payment process, students will be given access to our services, which changes the phase of Indian startup ecosystem. Golden Admissions organization provides 2 different types of services. One comes under education, and another service comes under finance. Now let's discuss about the services that we skipped earlier. Golden Pay is a service which comes under finance category. It is a payment gateway that provides 3 different modes of payment options, where a student can opt any payment mode among the 3, according to their convenience. We will discuss these payment modes within a minute. In this education category, we have 2 services called eBox and iLad. Also, we will discuss these services in detail within a minute. Here we provide scholarships to students in the following ranges: 25%, 50%, 75%, 100%, for those who achieve the cutoff mark. Okay, as per my word, let's discuss about the payment modes. And a note here, these financial services are provided under the name of Golden Hands, which is partnership firm, a subsidiary of Golden Admissions. The reason for why we are providing financial services under Golden Hands is, we can't do any financial or lending services under a private limited company, according to RBI guidelines. As per my word, let's discuss about the various payment modes in Golden Payment Gateway. Using Mode 1 payment option, student can able to pay their tuition fee on monthly basis, by opting a maximum tenure of 12 years, and the interest rates are as minimal as 4.5%. which is very low when compared to an international bank's loan interest rate as well. There is slight change in Mode 2. Here students will start paying their EMIs after the completion of their graduation, with a maximum tenure of 9 years, with 6.3% of interest rate, which is very low when compared to loan offered by private and government banks of India. Lastly, Mode 3, which is quite different from above modes. Here our organization introducing the concept of income sharing model. Students can start their graduation career just by signing the income sharing model. Here, by signing the income sharing agreement, we take X% of payment from their salary after their graduation for Y number of years. Just by signing this agreement, students can start studying in their dream universities. Well, let's discuss about the educational services. iLad stands for Industry Ladder. Here we follow a unique 120 steps ladder methodology. Students who are completing these tasks will gain knowledge at an industry level and will get more job opportunities, and these tasks are designed by looking at the latest job trending technologies. Apart from that, we also have our own jobs portal that has various features by using various technologies, which enables employers to directly schedule and reschedule the interview calls with the candidates of our university. eBox, priorly Entrepreneurs Box, was designed for students who are aspiring to implement their ideas into this real world. Here at eBox, students will get access to the following services: web development, app development, prototype development, revenue management, HR management, auditing assistance, law assistance and marketing assistance, from our experts team. As well as we conduct various events, idea pitching, investors pitching, Idea of the Year awards, startup launching and workshops, on various topics by startups founders and co-founders. Also, we have a new scheme called ePay scheme, where entrepreneurs who are completing the implementation tasks, designed by various founders and Co-founders from time to time will be paid on monthly basis to support them. Hence, as a result, by providing all these services will result in upgrowth of enrollment rate, as well as placement rate, by implementing these services in your university. If you take a look at our portal analytics, we have 25,000 plus visitors to our website, and got 6,000 plus logins, where 450 plus students filled the contact us forms, to join in top universities through Golden Admissions by availing our services, within a span of 30 days. And, here we don't even spend a single penny on advertisement. Entire traffic that we are getting is organic, which is possible only because of our SEO experts. We use our management softwares to run our tasks and actions. We don't use any third-party softwares. All the softwares that we used are designed by our tech experts from IITs. We do all these because we focus on our customers' data security. We got 50 plus industry connections, where we can use these connections to place the students of our university. By collaborating with us, we can guarantee that you will get more admissions and placements from Golden Admissions organization for sure. We have our presence in 5 states: Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, and Maharashtra.